Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about this beautiful wig. This is a wig that I got from EVAHair, Eva or Eva, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I will link all the links down below so you can check out their website. So this was the reddish brown synthetic lace front wig. It's 24 inches and 150 density hair, so it is a lot of hair, but it's so natural looking. It doesn't have that like plasticky fake look in pictures or with the flash on or anything. That's why I'm showing it in the sunlight, because I wanted you to see like the true color and like how it truly looks in real life. So with this wig, I wanted to go for a 90s vibe, so I just cut some really thin bangs in the front, and I'm gonna straighten them later on. But with this wig, you can use heat, but use a very low temperature because it will burn. I think I had it like on 250 and I seen it smoking, so really low temperature, FYI. Right here I'm just cutting off the lace in the front. I really like putting bangs on my wigs because you don't have to deal with baby hair and all of that stuff. But this wig had a very natural hairline. Like, I didn't even need to mess with baby hairs. And then for the length of the wig, I'm cutting off a lot of hair because I wanted a really blunt bob with the little thin bangs in the front. So that's just what I did here. I ended up cutting so much hair off. Like, when I say this hair is thick, or this wig is thick, it is thick, but the thicker the better, you know. So anyways, this is how it came out. On camera the color looks a little like, I don't know, I feel like it looks orangey, but it's a really deep red color. It's really pretty. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of how it came out. So I'll show you how the wig looks on with the whole completed look at the end, but I just wanted to add a quick little video of me doing my eye makeup. I wanted to do something like glittery and festive and holiday-ish, so I did this green glitter look. I'll list everything down below, everything that I used for the look down below, but it's just really simple. So I'm basically going to be doing a voiceover through the rest of the video. And I just want to let you guys know that for the wig, you can get 20% off if you use my code, which is Pretty in H-Town. I'll have it linked down below. I believe it's for any wig on the website, and they have so many choices of synthetic and lace front wigs, and they are gorgeous. Like, I literally couldn't just pick one. I wanted every single one. But yeah, so if it's your first time like trying out a wig, or you're not sure if you want to buy a wig, because I don't know, like, I was really nervous about it at first because I thought it was gonna like fly off in the wind, but it actually like is really secure. Some wigs are so tight they'll give you a headache. Like, I'll literally have a headache the whole entire day, but this one fits really comfortable. And it also comes with a wig cap, and it comes with 2 wig caps actually. So like I said, check them out. I'll leave the link down below, but that's pretty much all I gotta say. This is pretty self-explanatory, just looking at how I do my eyes. But thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will be making more. I know I always say that, but I really will be making more. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Not to tell me about the price of my toes. No matter what I'm wearing, I can only be keep your fancy drinks and your expensive mix. I don't need that to have a good time. Keep your expensive car and your caviar. All I need is my guitar. Keep your crystal and your pistol. I'd rather have a pretty piece of crystal. Don't need your silicone, I prefer my own. God gave me just fine.